Wow, thank you so much, Tony Mara, for giving me $3.31. It's $2 in UK. Are you from UK, Tony Mara? Are you from Africa? I think you are rich because you gave me this $3 something. You're the first one who gave me that one. Since I do live, you're the only one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tony Mara. You are so nice. I'll get you butchuka flowers and diamonds. What do you think? Very nice. You are so generous. God bless you more, Tony Mara. That's all I can say. I'm going to pray for you. More blessings to you. And God will meet all your needs because you are very generous.